So meat.
Milo.
Right.
You saying happy birthday to your nephew? Love you.
Milo, come here. Look what you got.
Here, Milo. Do not burn your nose. Yay!
Happy birthday, Milo.
Happy birthday! He's like, what do I do now?
Oh.
No. It's yours, Milo.
You can take the candle out.
Oh, he might eat the candle.
Bologna cake.
It's so perfect. Just yes. Are you happy now, Milo? And it has meat frosting. You just potted meat.
Mm-hmm. All his favorite stuff.
You're so happy, Milo. Mm-hmm.
Go get his toys.
Oh, yeah.
Eat your stuff, Milo. Milo. Seriously, that's more important than a cake.
Yeah.
Stop, love you.
Oh,